Cooking our hot pot for dinner in Sapa, Vietnam, was such an enjoyable experience that we couldn't wait to dig in. We ended up finishing at least 99% of the delicious food served to us, leaving just a tiny bit behind. Tears of joy, tears of joy, tears of joy.
Check na yun, check. Dami pala yun. Ito yung masarap dito. Maraming gulay. Ito muna yung kakainin natin.
Sinot ko na lahat Hindi ko inisip ganito kadami.
Ang pasitak pa na ako. Hindi. Kaya natin yan.
Gulay.
Masarap. So, takpan muna natin. So, sige na. Pretend ka na lang. Hindi ka marunong kumamit ng spoon. Ito. May gulay pa. Mamaya i-asasahog natin yung gulay. Sarap. Excited. Oh. Sino gustong pumunta? Mabol. Mabol na. Yung gustong pumunta ng Vietnam. We're here. We're still here waiting. Kaya lang. After ilan? One day. After several days of delay. Hindi naman. One day delay lang.
Na natin yung natitira.